Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with take 2 of my Advent calendar kit. You may have seen video 1 that came out a couple of days ago where I showed you the Advent calendar kit joined together with a landscape centre section, and this time I'm sharing a different version with you where all 3 boxes are completely separate and they will stand up. You can decorate the centre in portrait or landscape style and then stand them up and they make a fabulous home decor piece. So I've used papers from the, let me just show you, Make a Wish collection by Stamperia. I've used the maxi pack and a couple of sheets from the standard pack, and it's a fabulous folk arty collection, lots and lots of images to cut out. We've got the gorgeous angels, Christmas trees, the whole village, the pussycat, the fabulous St Nick. He comes in various sizes, and it was a real difficult choice to decide what I wanted to use as my focal point in the centre box. But in the end, I went for St Nick, and as you can see, here he is. He's one of the largest cutouts. And then I took papers with a snowy look to them for the background and covered this centre section. And then if I tilt him, you can see there are 3 layers at half an inch intervals in that frame, which is about 2 inches deep. And then I've added and dimensionalised, is that a word? I don't know. The Christmas trees, the little houses. We've got the gorgeous St Nick here, all blinged up with stardust stickles. I don't know if you can see. It's a bit bright in here, but he is very shiny with his fabulous fur coat on and his gorgeous beard. And then we've got some more little houses down here and that lovely stag and little houses here, so that it looks like he's sort of looming out of the valley overlooking everybody. I've highlighted the moon in the background, and then the kit comes flat packed. It's MDF, it comes with all of its pieces and little wooden numbers and this lovely oval frame that fits into the box, which you can use or not use. But when I'd finished this, I thought, oh, it looks like a snow globe. It's got that really lovely arched effect, and you could put acetate over the front, stick it under the paper that you decorate the frame with, dot snow on it, put all of your shaker pieces inside, and really go to town with a fabulous festive showpiece. But he, I felt, was I just loved him. So he was my choice for my focal point. And then I've got the clock up here, and what else have we got? Oodles of stickles all the way around. The roofs have got snow on them. And then I've gone around the frame as well. And also I went all around the edge of the box. I really did overdo the bling. All the little colours in the stardust stickles are perfect to go with all of the colours in this gorgeous paper collection. And then I've picked out for the boxes the papers that he's wearing in his coat. So we've got the red one and the spotty one, and then the lighter one was the paper left over from making these snowbanks. And then I've decorated the boxes with blue and red spots on the sides, and then on the back I've got that lovely village scene. And then on the back of these ones, let me just find a piece of paper that I can flip them over on. Otherwise all the little boxes will fall out. Are the angels. Let's do the same with this one. And then you can see, which I thought made it a beautiful scene in itself with the angels and the village, and it says let it snow. And again, I've got those same papers in the angels that I've used on the little boxes. So huge amount of choice in this collection. So let's just flip them back. The kit comes with a full assembly guide. It doesn't tell you what papers to cut, it just tells you the size of the papers to cut. So it's quite a generic instruction, and then you just create the scene that you want to put in the centre. You can join the boxes or not, and I've used our signature construction tape to join them if you've seen video 1, which I'll link to at the end of this video. But a huge amount of option. You could even turn these boxes sideways and have them landscape. These will pull out and just turn around because they're square. So a really fabulously versatile advent calendar that makes a lovely heirloom if you wanted to make it for a loved one and then hand it down. It does take a while. They're not quick makes, but well worth it when you look back and you see what you've created. So I hope I've inspired you to be creative. Thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new videos and products. So that's it, our advent calendar kit. Links to the kit and the papers I've used are below in the description. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.